Hello guys, this is FairBinaryOptions.com, and we're looking at the Euro US dollar this time. The reason for that is that we are looking at a possible zigzag to be completed, and this zigzag should start from these lows here from the downside around this area. Now because of that, normally we should look at the zigzag to come in the form of a 5-3-5 structure. So we should look for a 5-way structure here. Into this area, and this 5-way structure I would say that goes with the first wave extension here being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's just label it of a lower degree for this to be wave 1. And the second wave there. And the third wave there. So 1, 2, 3 with the fourth wave to the downside, 4. And the fifth wave there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I would say that this is a 5-way structure. Now, what's to be expected next after this 5-way structure, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Well, we are looking now for a corrective wave to come that can be either a contracting triangle or a flat, as you can see that with the C wave failure that has been here. In both cases, this should be labeled wave A coming as a 5-way structure. Now we are looking for a B wave. I would say that it is possible to have a contracting triangle that should go something like this. This to be wave A. Let me make it blue. Then of course the B wave to the upside. Then the C wave like this. A, B, C, D, and E. This to be the end of the B wave out of this degree. And then to look for another 5-way structure to the upside for the C wave to come. So A, B, C will be the educated guess that I will have on the Euro US dollar in the form of a zigzag. Now, it might very well be that this move here to the downside here, this will represent the B wave, which I don't think that is going to be the case, as we still need to consolidate some of the recent moves. But nevertheless, we are looking for a 3-way move, either in the form of a contracting triangle here, or in the form of this flat with a C-wave failure, but not weakness to the downside. What I'm trying to say is that 61.8, this level here should not be broken, and basically after correcting here, price should move again to the upside. If you take a trend line here and you look at the previous lows, previous lows here, then basically price broke that trend line, now retested. We made a new high. I agree with that, but it remains to be seen what if those highs are going to be enough for the day or for the week. As a consequence, in order to try to avoid a possible consolidation in a contracting triangle here and be trapped in an option that we don't really want to trade, we would like to buy call options, because this zigzag still is to go to the upside, but we would like to buy call options, but with end of week expiration date. Okay, so for Friday GMT, 21 GMT, so I'm buying call options with end of week expiration date will be the logical thing to do on the Euro US dollar. Again, end of week, meaning next Friday, 21 GMT, And in order for our option to expire in the money, B being a call option, we need for price to be bigger than the striking price at the time of expiration. So we have a 5-way structure to the upside, looking for a correction or a consolidation area in a 3-ways, and then price to move on with another 5-ways structure for new highs in the C wave there, probably around 137.50, 137.90. It remains to be seen. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all the analyses are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lion Eye.